no matter how fit or unfit you are, it can always be harder. You can always make it harder. This workout was super tough. Changed up the intensity, changed up the style. Instead of doing like 40 on, 15 off, or a minute on, we did 5 exercises for time. 20 minutes, as many rounds as we could do. And then we went and did our running. So challenge you to either adjust this workout and make it a little bit easier if you're newer to exercise, or if you're more advanced, I challenge you to try it, see what you think. It's a great mix of strength, cardio, endurance, and then obviously overall improvement of health and fitness. Burn fat, feel great, and ultimately push yourself to be your best. Check it out.